So we all know that relationships in a workplace is going to be good only if we have a great communication with our boss, with our supervisor, right? So that's a very important element, right? And your boss typically holds a key to your advancement within your organization, and they have a tremendous amount of influence on how you perceive your own work too. So you may wake up every day either looking forward to work, or you may dread every time to go to work. So basically what is important is how are you going to be communicating, because your work will actually consume a large part of your life, and learning how to communicate with your boss actually makes a lot of sense if you want to really enjoy your work. Okay, now they have certain expectations, and it's up to you to figure out what they need, especially if you want to advance your career or at least enjoy what you do. So there are some tips on how you can actually communicate with your boss at work. So before you speak to your boss, write down some of the topics that you want to discuss and what you hope to communicate, because that gives you a lot of clarity while you're speaking to him. The specifics are more decided. There's no ambiguity, there's no vagueness. And make sure that you're clear about what you want or need from your boss. That also is very, very essential. So in fact, it's important that you can rehearse a bit and go if it's something really important that you want to talk and connect on. So when you're speaking to your boss, always use qualifying words such as perhaps and maybe, rather than absolute words like always, every, all the time. So speaking in absolute can raise a person's defense and can cause resistance. So be mindful while you're speaking to your boss. And make I statements such as I need guidance instead of you statements, you haven't given me a guidance, right? So saying that I need your guidance and you did not give me, there's a stark contrast in that. Avoid going to your boss when you're emotional, right? Giving yourself a cooling off period to collect your thoughts and composure. Very, very important, because you wouldn't know what you do say in the heat of your emotions. If at all possible, talk to your boss before the issues become heated and you get emotionally involved. Be always an active listener. Learn to listen and understand what your boss actually says. If you missed or you weren't clear about a point, do ask your boss to get a clarity on it. And try and repeat and rehearse the points before you make or tell it to your boss, because this conversation shows that you're listening and understanding him or better. So rephrasing is really important. Practice good body language. Look at your boss. Lean into the conversation. Be assertive. Keep an open mind. Avoid gossiping or spreading rumors. Have a positive attitude, and be sure to give your boss praise and recognition when it's due. So that's it. So you will came home if you are able to communicate effectively with your supervisor.